Now we are going to study the image formation by concave mirror. Okay, first of all we have to know the rule which I have mentioned in the previous lecture, but have a little look. Consider this is a concave mirror. Let me draw. Okay, okay, this is looks like a concave mirror. Okay, and this is the principal section. This is the principal section. This is the pole P. This is the pole P, and a parallel light coming and is incident on the concave mirror. After deflection it goes through focus. Okay, so after deflection it goes through focus. After deflection it goes through focus. Okay, this looks like this. Okay, this is parallel ray. This is parallel ray. This is parallel ray, and this is parallel ray, and after deflection it goes through focus. This point is focus F. Okay, and the second rule is if a ray on passing through F it goes parallel to the principal axis. This is the second rule. And the third rule is if this is the center of curvature. See, this point is the center of curvature. A ray this is the center of curvature. See, a ray on passing through the center of curvature, after reflection it goes back to the same straight line. Okay, so this is the incoming ray and this is the reflected ray. This is the direction. Okay, these are the basic rule. Now next okay, now the first condition, when the object is placed at infinity. The object is placed at infinity. Now you have to remember that when a object is placed at infinity, the incoming rays are parallel from that object. So these are parallel ray. Because the object is at infinity, and after reflection it goes through the point F. You can see. So the image is at the focus point. If the incoming rays are parallel, it implies that the object is at ইনফিনিটি। ওকে, দেখো আমি কি বলছি, আমি বলছি যে একটা ইনফিনিটিতে যদি কোনো অবজেক্ট অবস্থান করে তাহলে সেখান থেকে যে রে আসবে সেগুলো সবাই প্যারালাল হবে এবং ভাইস ভার্সা। ঠিক আছে, যদি কোনো অবজেক্ট ইনফিনিটিতে থাকে তবে সেখান থেকে যে রেগুলো আসবে সেগুলো প্যারালাল আসবে, এবং যদি কোনো প্যারালাল রে আসে বুঝতে হবে অবজেক্টটা ইনফিনিটিতে আছে। বুঝে গেল? নেক্সট, this is the picture. Now what is the nature of image? What is the nature of image? You can see the image is formed at f. The image is formed at f, and this is real. The real means the ray actually, the reflected ray actually meet at the point. So this is real object. If you placed a screen on that position, you can see the clear image. So this is called real image. And inverted, real image always inverted, and small in size. This is the image is very small, and the magnification very less than -1. Magnification is very less than -1. Okay, now the magnification very less than -1. The minus sign indicates that it is inverted. Okay, okay. Magnification indicate how big or how small compared to the object. Now the second case is when the object is placed between the infinity and the center of curvature. You can see this is the mirror, okay, and this is the center of curvature, and this is the focus f. You have to know that the focal length is equal to r by 2. R is radius of curvature. Okay, so this is the distance, this is the distance r, and this is the distance f. Okay, so r is equal to 2f. Okay, okay, now a ray, this is the object, AB is the object. Okay, this is head and this is tail. AB is the object, and a ray from the head, parallel ray, is incident on the mirror, and after reflection, you know, it has to go through the focus, and a second ray is running through f, and after reflection it goes parallel to the principal axis. This is principal axis and this is parallel. Okay, and the reflected ray, two reflected ray meet at the point b dash. So a dash b dash is the image, a dash b dash is the image, and the nature of the image. See the nature of the image. The image formed at f and between f and c. This is the image. So f and c, between the f and c, and this is real. This is also real because if you have placed a screen, you see the clear image, and other in the other word, the ray actually meet at the point. The ray, the two ray, this ray and this ray are actually meet at this point. Okay, actually meet at this point. So the image is real. Inverted, why it is inverted? Because you see the head of the object is upward, but the head of the image is backward. Okay, so this is inverted, and this is small in size. From the figure you can see this is small in size, and the magnification less than -1. Okay, the -1 sign indicate that this is inverted. Okay, and magnification less than means the image size is smaller than the object size. Okay, the next topic, when case 3. Okay, case 3. Okay, now when the object is placed at center of curvature, that is the object is at C, you can see. Now A B is the object and a ray parallel to principal axis fall on the concave mirror. After deflection, you know it has to go through focus, and another ray which is coming through F, and after deflection it goes parallel to principal axis. This dotted ray is called parallel, this dotted ray is called parallel principal section. Okay, this dotted ray is principal section. So from this figure you see the object is AB and the image is formed at the object position, but the head is reversed. So the nature of image, the image formed at C, you can see the image formed at C, you can see the image formed at C or radius of curvature. This is real because the ray actually meet at the point, and this is inverted. Inverted means the head of the object is upward but the head of the image is downward, so this is inverted and equal in size. From the figure you can see this is almost equal in size. Okay, so the magnification is 1 but minus sign because this is inverted. Okay, next condition is when the object is placed between the center of curvature and focus. Look, this is focus and this is center of curvature. The object is placed at AB and a ray, parallel ray from B goes to the mirror, and after deflection it passes through the focus. Another ray from B is coming through F and passes through F, and after deflection goes parallel to the principal axis, you can see. So the reflected ray meets at the point B dash. So this is the position of image. A dash B dash is the position of image and AB dash is the position of object. Now the nature of image. What are the nature of images? The images are formed at 2f and infinity. This there is infinity and this is 2f. Okay, so image is formed as f and 2f and infinity. This is almost real and inverted. You can see this is inverted and larger in size. Because the size is larger, the magnification is greater than 1. Okay, the minus sign indicate that this is inverted. Okay, now the fifth case is when the object is at focus. The object is placed at the focus. You can see this is the focus. The object is placed at focus. A parallel ray is going to mirror and after deflection passes through F. Another ray which is passes through center of curvature, you can see, and these two rays never meet at all. So the image is formed at infinity. So this is the nature of image formed at infinity. This is real, this is inverted and very large in size, and magnification very greater than 1, and minus sign indicate that this is inverted. Okay. Okay, next. The next is case 6, when the object is placed at place between focus and pole. This is focus F and this is pole. Okay, the object is placed at this position. Okay, a ray, parallel ray, incident on mirror. After reflection it goes through F, you can see, and another ray which is passing through center of curvature. The reflected ray goes opposite side to the opposite side along the same side, same path, along the same path, and these two rays never meet at all. Okay, these two rays never meet at all. So you can see this ray and this ray are not parallel. Okay, so what we do is now we draw the ray back, and this is the point the ray meet to each other. So this is the image and this is the object. Now a dash b dash is the image and AB is the object. Now nature of the image formed behind the mirror. This is the behind and this is in front of mirror. So the image is formed at behind the mirror, and this is virtual. This is not real image actually. The ray are not actually meet at the point. Okay, so this is virtual, this is not real image, and this is erect. Erect means the opposite of uh, the opposite of um, the opposite of inverted. So you see the head of the object is upward, and the and the head of the image is also upward. The head of the both object and image are also upward. So this is erect image and larger in size. You can see this is the image distance AB, and this is the AB is the object size, and A dash B dash is the image size. Okay, this is very larger, and magnification is very greater than very greater than +1. Plus sign indicate that this is virtual, this is erect. Okay, plus sign indicate that it is erect, and greater than it means it is very larger. Okay, now the image formed by convex mirror. Okay, this is the mirror, convex mirror. Okay, you can see convex mirror. The image formed by convex mirror is always virtual, erect and smaller in size. Okay, when the object is placed at infinity. Okay, see, this is parallel ray. This means the object is at infinity. and after reflection it passes through this ray. If we draw back, then this ray meet at the point F. Okay, so this is virtual image. You can see this is virtual image. The image is at F. The image formed at F. You can see the image formed at F. This is virtual. Okay, this is virtual because this is the reflected ray does not actually meet at the point F. This is erect because the head of the object is up and the head of the image is upward, and this is very small in size and magnification m very less than 1. Plus sign indicate that this is erect image. Okay, and the second condition, when the object is placed anywhere on the principal axis. This is convex mirror and the object is placed at this position anywhere on the principal axis. A ray parallel to principal axis after reflection goes to this line, and if we draw back this line, this reflected ray meet at the point F. Okay, and another ray which are passing through center of curvature, it the reflected ray reflected back along the same path. You can see. Now the image is formed between F and P. Okay, this is the image F and P. This is erect image because the head of both image and object is upward. This is small in size and magnification m very less than +1. Okay, plus sign indicate that this is erect image. Okay, have a look. See, this is the object and the ray, this ray and this ray meet at the point. So this is the image. This is the image. Here the image is formed. Okay. Okay. Now here is some summary. You can see this is the position. This is the position and this is the position of image, and this is the size of image, and this is the nature of image. The summary. Okay.